Only 13% have a goal, and only about 3% write it down. The 3% earn 10 times more than the 87% that don't have a goal. I'm your guide today, and in a second I will give you a tool. First, you gotta know manifestation is all about mindset. To get transformation, results, and success, you gotta set up your mindset for success. It's my purpose to help you and your business doing just that. Here's the exercise. Take your goal for this year, make it specific, measurable, ambitious, and put a date on it. Write down in present tense and in positive words your goal. Here's an example. I'm so happy and grateful now that I have achieved this and that. Repeat that for yourself at least 10 times a day, in the morning and in the evening. Post it in the chat, subscribe, and contact us for a free talk. If you tell us what you want, we will show you how to get it. We simply have the system that works, and success is not a secret, it is a system. So don't waste your life. I'm Kasper Larsen, and here to help you get full spectrum success, personal, professional, relational, and spiritual. Call now and we will show you how to do it in just 6 months. If you change your paradigm, everything will start to change. Now, we're almost 100 subscribers, and I want to celebrate that with you. So the next 5 up to the 100 will be offered a free laser coaching session.